Before you can analyze your MLPA data with Covalyzer.net, you need to indicate in the software which type of capillary electrophoresis instrument, or CE device, you use for your MLPA experiments. Various CE devices are suitable for MLPA fragment separation, each with its own specifications. Based on this, the parameters for size calling and peak recognition have been defined. These are stored in each of the CE devices available in Covalyzer.net. As the software uses these parameters during quality control, it is essential for reliable MLPA data analysis to keep the following in mind when adding a CE device to Covalyzer.net. First, choose the correct CE device type. And second, select the filter set that your device was calibrated with and with which your samples were run. We can now add a CE device to Covalyzer.net. For this demo, we will use the ABI 3500 instrument, calibrated with DiSat G5. First, we right-click on CE Devices and select Add CE Device. From the upper drop-down menu, we can choose a CE device type. For now we select ABI 3500. Now we can pick the filter set from the second drop-down menu. In this case, we select G5. If you like, you can enter a text in the location and remarks fields. The text entered in the location field will be visible in the name of the CE device. This can be useful to distinguish two CE devices of the same type from each other, where for instance one instrument may have filter set D selected and the other filter set G5. To see the text in the remarks field, you need to open the properties of the CE device. There is no need to change the default parameters in any of the other tabs. These tabs have preset values that are optimal for the selected CE device type. Adjusting these settings will have an effect on size calling and peak recognition and may lead, in the worst case scenario, to false results. We are now done with the configuration of a new CE device. It can be saved by clicking OK. It is now listed in the organization folder CE Devices. When you add a CE device to your Covalyzer, remember that you should select the device used in your lab. Please note, there is no direct link between the CE instrument in your lab and the one in Covalyzer.net, nor does Covalyzer.net need to be installed on the PC connected to your CE instrument.